How to add clickable images in Google Sites. Hey everyone, welcome. I hope you're all doing great. I'll show you how to add images where when you actually click on it, it's actually going to take you to a link. And it's just going to be a clickable image basically. And we will show it. Let's just go ahead and create an image real quick just so we can actually showcase. If we just go to custom size here, let's just go ahead and add a custom size real quick. And I'm just going to do click here. Great, and let's just go ahead and use this image, real fast image that I've just created just to showcase. It could be any type of image here. I'm just going to use PNG, but it could be any sort of type. I'm just going to go ahead and download that real quick. And then if we just go ahead and get it to desktop. So let's just go ahead and show you now. If we just go to Google Sites, open up the site that you actually want to add the images to. And it's not going to be like this. I have this test site here where you will have images and you will have text underneath, which is going to have a link. And we don't really want this. What we want is an actual image itself, which is clickable. So let's just go ahead and go to the insert option on the top right here. And then you would want to basically just add an image, which we have created. So let's just go ahead and click on images. Click on upload, and then from here you would want to select the image that you want. I'm just going to be using this one, obviously, which is the one that we have just created. Place it wherever you want, and then you would want to just click on it, and then from here you would want to just click on insert link option, which shows up right on top of it. Just go ahead and click on that, and then in here you will have the ability to take people to another place on this same site here, so we can just take them to other pages, or we can just take them to a completely another link, which I will do in this case. So let's just go ahead and do google.com, and we can just go ahead and hit apply. And when you're in the editor, you'll be able to see the link down below, which is going to lead people to. But if we just go ahead and publish this site real quick, click on publish again, and if we just view the site for us, it's not really going to show the link here. What we can do is, however, is actually we can just click on it and it's going to take us to google.com, or obviously whichever site that you have selected. And now it is pretty much clickable, and you can do it with any type of image, even GIF, and I will show you in a sec. If we just go back to the editor here, we can just go ahead and add another image, click on upload, and let's say I just want to use this one, which is a GIF image. Let it load for a sec here. It shouldn't really take too long. There you go. Let's just go ahead and add this. Oops, sorry about that. Let's just go ahead and what did I even do? Anyways, let's just skip that. Just go ahead and click on it, and then we can just go ahead and readjust it. Click on again the same link here. And this time, I'm just going to go ahead and let it direct us to another page in this website instead of a completely different URL. Click on apply, and we are good to go. Again, we can just go ahead and publish to show you one more time that it actually works for GIF or normal image. Does not really matter here. If you just click on view and scroll down, I don't know what happened to this mess anyways. The image is not loading yet. Just give it a little bit of time. There you go. And now we can actually just go ahead and click on it, and it's going to take us to the other page. But for that one, for the previous one, it's actually just going to take us to that other URL. With that being said, this is pretty much how to add a clickable image in your Google Sites. Hopefully you found this video to be helpful, and thanks for watching.